Imagine earning $200,000 a year and still being broke. Welcome to Wealth Blueprint.
It's Tuesday. You check your bank account. You've got $47 left until payday, and you make a decent salary. So where did it go? Here's the brutal truth. You didn't blow your money on one big thing. You were slowly bled to death by the subscription economy, and it was designed on purpose to keep you perpetually broke. Think about your grandparents for a second. They bought a house, they bought a car, they bought a TV, and they owned all of it for decades. Now look at us. We lease our cars, stream our entertainment, and rent our software. At the end of the month, you own absolutely nothing new. We went from an ownership economy to a rental one, and the companies who made that switch, they got filthy rich doing it. Here's where the math gets absolutely brutal. When people are asked how much they spend on subscriptions, the average answer is about $86 a month. The actual number? $273 a month. That's over $3,200 a year on things you will never, ever own. Think about what that means. Every single month, you are paying rent to Netflix, Spotify, Adobe, Amazon, your gym, your cloud storage, while they accumulate wealth and you accumulate bills. Let me show you the most predatory version of this trap, and it's hiding in your laptop right now. Take software like Adobe. 10 years ago, you paid $1,200 once and you owned Photoshop forever. Today, you pay $60 every single month, indefinitely. That's $720 a year for something you used to buy once. But here's the truly evil part. They don't just want your money. They want your dependence. Because if you ever stop paying, they lock you out. Your files, your projects, years of your creative work held hostage until you pay up again. Now let's zoom out and see the full picture. Your car lease, $400 a month. Your phone bill, $100. Your subscriptions, $273. Everything else you're renting, another few hundred. Add it up, and you might be bleeding over $1,100 every single month on things that will never make you wealthy. But here's what should keep you up at night and then get you out of bed in the morning. What if you stopped renting and started investing that money instead? $1,100 a month invested at 7% annual returns. Over 30 years, you would have nearly $4 million. Not from a raise, not from winning the lottery, just from stopping the bleed. So here's what I want you to do right now, today. Go through every subscription you're paying for and ask yourself one question. Am I actually using this? If the answer is no, cancel it today, not tomorrow. If there's a software you can buy once instead of subscribing to, buy it once. Stop being a permanent renter in your own life. Choose ownership. Choose wealth. Choose to stop the bleed, starting today.
If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Join the Wealth Blueprint community.